Can you believe this? I feel like I just bought this host. It's not Fleetbot's fault. You see, here's the problem. Cellular providers like AT&T, Verizon, and T-Mobile have all already begun to launch 5G networks. And while that means faster and more reliable service, it also means 3G networks need to get out of the way to meet increasing cellular bandwidth demands. Verizon Wireless, the US's biggest cellular network provider, was first to shut down its 3G service late last year, although the company has been able to extend 3G service for its commercial Verizon Connect customers. AT&T plans to sunset its 3G in 2022. It also means Fleetbot here won't be able to host anymore. He runs on 3G. Lord knows I can't be held responsible for this show, and the 3G sunset is probably important for you to know about too. Don't think so? Take a look at your telematics devices. Yeah, they're probably running on 3G just like Fleetbot, so whether you like it or not, we're in this together. Now is the time to take stock of what telematics devices will need replaced when the 3G network rides into the sunset. For many fleets out there, chances are good that the telematics devices you employ are using 3G technology. That's because, generally speaking, any telematics device installed before 2017 will likely rely on older 3G or even 2G technology. So, what do you do? If you have to replace a good chunk of telematics devices within your fleet, you can turn this potential headache into an opportunity to get your arms around your telematics strategy. Consider your ELD and DVIR compliance, as well as your integrations with routing, IFTA reporting solutions, maintenance, workflow applications, and load matching services. Also consider that 4G LTE will most likely have a longer shelf life than 2G and 3G, even with the advent of 5G. LTE stands for long-term evolution. It's allowed companies to provide fleets with a more efficient transfer of data, like in enhancing the resolution offered in camera recordings. Fleets that rely too much on outdated technology may be limiting their own potential. Think about how efficient and effective any business would be if they had to rely on technology that was created over a decade ago. Fleets should be upgrading their in-cab solutions on a more regular basis to help them leverage new technology to unlock higher levels of efficiency, performance, and control. So, now is the time to invest in your future telematics system. But as you go about implementing your new hardware, it's a good idea to install the LTE hardware in parallel to your existing devices, instead of using a complete dump and replace method. Hi, I'm your new 4G Fleetbot. Take a load off, human. I'll take it from here. Thank God, I can still catch the end of Terminator on TNT if I hurry. So, don't outright remove your current technology and replace it with the new LTE hardware. If you are switching providers, you will need to have fully installed the replacement solution, trained your drivers, dispatchers, maintenance, and other teams on the new upgraded services. Only when your team is trained on the new services should you terminate the legacy 3G devices you have, so you can make a clean, smooth transition. For more trucking equipment content, head over to fleetequipmentmag.com. Thanks for watching.